manje kwi-Cover Cup nginosiphephelo Makhaya obuya kwi-Dream Team. Iluzile-ke i-Dream Team mfowethu, nidlalile umdlalo omuhle kodwa akuzange kuvume.
Yeah, I think umdlalo awuvumanga, inhlanhla bingekho esayidini lethu njengoba wonke umuntu ubonile senze konke okusemandleni. Igame sicontrol from igame iqala up until the end, even sesu9 we were able to control igame. So it was just that inhlanhla bingekho esayidini lethu, so it part of football nje eziyenzeka. If you don't convert, if awukora ama chances noma ungadlala kahle kanjani, egcineni ukucounter umuntu okwazile ukusebenzisa lamathuba, because igoli lesibili ubonile ukuthi siluzwe ukukora lapha, then ku-transition baya kokora bathola igoli ngaleyo because besidisorganize. But after all abafana ngihappy nge-performance yabo, benze konke okusemandleni and they really benze ama-supporters a-enjoya indlela abadlale ngayo. So we are proud of the boys regardless of ama-result, but we are very proud of them. Yeah.
Tell us about i-decision. Sibone one of goalkeeper bakho egcinela isandla kuma-officials. Kungabe mhlawumbe i-decision enje ungayithatha kanjani?
Yeah, I think Ebola it's a game of emotions. So you need to take control of your emotions, because especially in football, but we don't condone such and sazokhuluma naye because sikhuluma nge-professional player who understand those situations. Ureferee ube wrong because it was a foul lapha, but the moment isiphasile, then you need to carry on. It goes to switch on ingqondo yakho, kumele ube strong ama-emotions akho, ube not that intelligent ukumastalisha ama-emotion. I think he was too emotional because it's very painful to lose into in control. If basihlule ngomdlalo then beku-right, but manje there were no chance ukuthi laba bantu bengasihluka, but ureferee influenced it. But again umuntu ama-human errors lawo siyawa-understand. Yeah.
Mfowethu, ukuba ingxenye ye-Cover Cup inkomisho eseyizakhela igama kangaka kakhulukazi kule region yaseThekwini, kusho ukuthini nina as a Dream Team?
Yeah, it means a lot because ama-players amaningi banemsebenzi manje because of this tournament. So siyabonga kakhulu from Mr. Mkhize ngokwenza i-tournament, to every ama-sponsors, and engathi bengaqhubeka benza umsebenzi omuhle ba-give back to the community, especially with this talent esinalo. It deserve much better njengoba ubona ukuthi liningi kangakanani italent elila. So it's very great, engathi ngaqhubeka and iye ngokukhula kakhulu i-tournament.
Hard luck mfowethu.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Bese i-Dream Cup usikhona nosiphelelo umfoka Makhaya we-Dream Team. Danko.
Siyabonga.